Did you know that some of the biggest YouTubers are using AI tools to grow their channels while saving hours of work? Imagine creating videos, optimizing your content, and engaging with your audience all on autopilot. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 AI tools every YouTuber should use to automate channel growth. Whether you're just starting out or already have a channel, these tools will help you save time, boost your views, and grow your subscribers faster than ever. Let's dive in! Welcome to AI Money Lab, where we explore the latest AI tools and strategies to help you generate passive income, grow your business, and achieve financial freedom. I'm your host, and today we're talking about the top 5 AI tools every YouTuber should use to automate channel growth. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools to use, how to use them, and how they can help you grow your channel faster. Let's get started. Section 1. Why use AI tools for YouTube growth? First, let's talk about why AI tools are a game changer for YouTube growth. Here are 3 key benefits. Save time. AI can handle repetitive tasks like video editing, SEO optimization, and even comment moderation, freeing up your time to focus on creating great content. I'll boost engagement. AI tools can help you create more engaging videos, write better titles, and even respond to comments faster. Scale your channel. With AI, you can create more content in less time, helping you grow your channel faster. The bottom line? AI tools can help you work smarter, not harder. Section 2. The top 5 AI tools for YouTube growth. Now let's dive into the top 5 AI tools every YouTuber should use to automate channel growth. Tool 1. Pictory AI. What it does. Pictory AI turns scripts or blog posts into professional-looking videos in minutes. Why you need it? It's perfect for creating faceless YouTube videos, tutorials, or even compilations. How to use it. Upload your script, choose a template, and let Pictory AI do the rest. I use Pictory AI to create 10 videos in 1 week, saving me hours of editing time. Tool 2. ChatGPT. What it does. ChatGPT helps you write scripts, video descriptions, and even YouTube comments. Why you need it. It's like having a personal writing assistant that works 24/7. How to use it. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm video ideas, write engaging scripts, and optimize your video descriptions for SEO. I use ChatGPT to write a script for this video in under 10 minutes. Tool 3. TubeBuddy. What it does. TubeBuddy is an AI-powered YouTube SEO tool that helps you rank your videos higher in search results. Why you need it. It's essential for getting more views and subscribers. How to use it. Use TubeBuddy to find high-ranking keywords, analyze your competitors, and optimize your video tags. I use TubeBuddy to double my video views in just 30 days. Tool 4. Descript. What it does. Descript is an AI video editing tool that lets you edit videos by editing text. Why you need it. It's perfect for cutting out filler words, adding captions, and creating polished videos. How to use it. Upload your video, edit the transcript, and let Descript do the rest. I used Descript to edit a 10-minute video in under 30 minutes. Tool 5. Murf.ai. What it does. Murf.ai is an AI voiceover tool that turns text into natural-sounding voiceovers. Why you need it. It's perfect for creating faceless videos or adding voiceovers to your content. How to use it. Type your script, choose a voice, and let Murf.ai generate the audio. I used Murf.ai to create voiceovers for my videos, saving me hundreds of dollars on professional voice actors. Section 3. How to combine these tools for maximum growth. Here's how to combine these tools for maximum growth. Create content. Use ChatGPT to write scripts and Pictory AI to turn them into videos. Edit and polish. Use Descript to edit your videos and Murf.ai to add voiceovers. Optimize for SEO. Use TubeBuddy to find keywords and optimize your video titles, tags, and descriptions. By combining these tools, you can create high-quality SEO-optimized videos in a fraction of the time. Section 4. Real-life examples of AI-powered YouTube success. Still not convinced? Let me share some real-life examples of AI-powered YouTube success. Sarah, a beginner. Sarah used Pictory AI and ChatGPT to create 10 videos in her first month. Her channel now earns $2,000 a month from ads. Mike, a tech reviewer. Mike used TubeBuddy to optimize his videos and doubled his views in 30 days. Lisa, a lifestyle vlogger. Lisa used Descript and Murf.ai to edit her videos and grow her channel to 50,000 subscribers. These are just a few examples of how AI tools can transform your YouTube channel. If you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Drop a comment below and let me know which AI tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.